Repair or Replace by Air-Tro. The game that asks all of the tough HVAC questions so that you don't have to.
Okay, Mrs. Wagner's house. Let's see what she has to say. Should I replace my filters even though my HVAC system is running fine? And the answer to that is yes. We know changing the filter is very important on the system. It helps with the allergies, it helps with keeping the system clean, it helps maintain the unit. The filter is about 80% of HVAC maintenance. So I've been doing this for about 14 years now, and I go to a lot of homes, and often people forget about their filter. I walk into their house, I'm like, oh, okay, can I start with changing your filter first before I get started? And they're like, filter? What filter? So I'm like, oh boy, okay, this system's in trouble. So yes, changing the filter is very, very important.
Not sure if you need to repair or replace your system? Give us a call today.